Happy morning to the Navodaya aspirant students. Those are attempting the talent test. Those are attempting the talent test from classes 7th to 10th. 9th. Okay. This is the topic of the square roots. So this observe this problem. 4 root 5 minus 4 root 7 under root. So here real part, irrational part, both are mixing, not possible to do operate the mathematical operation between them. Now here in this case, simply you observe the real part. This is real part, this is irrational part. This is real part, this one irrational part. Real. Now separate, make this. Irrational part is the same. So in this both, make it common is 4 here common. Here also 4 common. Okay. Here 3 common. Denominator here 3 common. So directly we observed making of this common answer is 4 by 3. So without doing, we know that this answer. But what is the process? Process means proceed like this. 4 make it common. What is remaining here? Root 5. In the second term also 4 common. What is remaining? Root 7. So whole divided by, okay, here 3 common, here 3 common. Make from in this both 3 common. So root 5 minus root 7. Now terms are there in numerator, denominator. These two are cancelled. What is the remaining here? 4 by 3. So this is result is 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, simple, understood? So without doing operators, solve the answer. So by choosing of the options, this is the best thing. And second one observe here. If problem, if under root of 0.09 into 0.9 into x, this is x. Okay. X is equal to 0.09 into 0.9 into root z. This is a given data. What is asking then? The value of x is asking, not z. X value asking. Now what they given here in this root 2 times. 2 times square root. Here nothing. There is. How will you read this one? Square root means internally it is a 2 only. So like a 4 means in denominator 4. In denominator 1 is always plus. We can doing whatever may be plus or minus. We are writing in 1 in denominator. Similarly here square root. Square means 2 times 1 time we will be selected. In this 2 only 1 only possible. But root containing here. So how like that? Root a into b is equal to abc. 3 terms for a, b, c. Root a into b is equal to root a, root b, root c. It's possible. So according to this one, I operated these two separate. So this one is separate. Now in solution under root of 0.09 whole square, 1 term, okay, into. So root here never cancels, so only single digit, no, x is equal to left side over right side 0.9 into 0.9 into root z. Okay, here I am writing as usually 0.09 into from the above step given data 09 into root z, this one Z right like this writing due to the 2. So Z like this we are writing means Z sometimes we may be think like this 2. So 2 some children are writing right like this. So there is no difference. That's why Z take like this. Is the best way. Okay, now here square root to cancel. Okay, here square this root cancel. What is remaining here? 0.09 into root x is equal to 0.09 into here square. So write as usually. So this is the, if you are putting square, so there it is useless. So in both sides same terms to cancel. That's why I never taken the operator here. Now root z. Okay, here what are remaining here? Root x is equal to direct, so you can proceed, but so this all the children are reserving no class. That's why I am doing like this. Now root x by root z. Now this one z in this side. Otherwise squaring on both sides we will get the result. Now z I am converting in this side. Here operator is the multiply, in this side division. Root x by root z. Root possible no? Root a by b is equal to, what we know? Root a by root b is equal to under root of root a by b possible. This is in formula. Vice versa, from this one to r, this one to. So applying this one is equal to 0.09. 0.09 is a perfect square. So squaring both sides. Yeah, squaring both sides. Squaring on both sides. So here root cancel. .09 whole square. Now you asked in this question only xa. That's why I am doing here cancelling of the root. Root cancel is equal to here 9 9s are 81. 81 means 0.81 it will come. Now then here observe what we got here. X by z. Here observe x by z is equal to x by z is equal to what we got? 0.81. We got here. X is equal to 0.81 we got. So x by z value here as a change, then find the value of x by z. X by z value is 0.81. But according by using, so they will ask you a direct question also, other thing. So find the value of if x by z. What is the value of x by z? So root 3. In this some more questions also possible. So by using of this link, if root x is equal to 0.09, then root x is equal to z, then z square is equal to how much? So this is the preparation is the most important. So what they given root x value? Root x value is z. Okay, root x value is z. What is root x value here? 0.3. So understood, 0.3. How here root x is equal to 0.09. Then x is equal to squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both square this then not this way. These two are cancelled. Now x is equal to 0.81 will come. So 8 is equal to 0.1 will come. What is the value of z now? 0.81. This is one type of bit only prepared in this using of same problem. Okay. Next thing. So, result of this one. Very simple. Oh, observe in this question, all are the perfect squares. So direct answer. So E is equal to here 16 square root 4. 36 square root 6. 6 is the 36. 4 4 is the 69. Replace this one. This one. This one is this one. Is equal to plus 1 by 2. If it is possible, cancel. So 2 2 is the 2. 3 is the. What are the remaining here? Under root of 2 by 3 plus 1 by t. 1 by 2. So make it a LCM of in denominator 2 3. 2 3 LCM. There is no common factor. It will come 6. So 3 2s are 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are so 3. So not possible. So real part 7 by 6. Root 7 by 6 is the answer. Okay, next one more here. If 52 by x is equal to under root of this root containing in numerator and denominator. What he is asking, then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Where is the x here given? Here is given. Before that, we simplify this square root. Square root value, you know, 13. 13 is 169. So 13. So this one square root 17. 17 17 is 289. So now there is no root. Root value root 60 root a root a by b means root a by root b. So by applying of this one, I got here root 169 by root 289. Root 169 into 13 into 13. 13 square. So 17 square. 17 square 289. This root is cancelled. So remaining term are 13 by 17. This is internal part. So you write the direct here. 13 by 7 is equal to 52 by x. So now you are asking value of is x. X in denominator. Now do cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication. Here by doing cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 52 into 7. X into 13. So here and x value asking now. First of all writing here. X is x 13 is equal to 52 into 17. Now we require the x value only. So x is equal to 52 into 17 by 13. So we know 13 ones are 13 4 times. 13 4. 4 7 are 4 17 are 68. So what is the value of x is equal to 68. Okay. Right. Last question. So the simplification. So this is a general method. You can also, but it will taking lot of time. 301 into 301 the result, and 300 into 300. This is easy. 90,000. So but don't do a square minus b square here apply. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here no need of doing this one. Here observing of 301 plus 300 is equal to 602. 601 only come here. 601 into this value will come 1 only. So subtraction. So direct answer 601 only come. So how means you write here. This is a, this will be 301 plus 300 into 301 minus 300. So this result is equal to 601. This result is 1. So multiply this is direct answer. So no need of application. Okay. like this type of problems. Okay, they will give one or two in now.